The future of websites, landing pages, funnels, and e-com store creation will be changed forever. Failing to watch this short message will leave you behind. Ignore at your own risk. In the next 45 seconds, I'll show you how you can create blazing fast, stunning, and profitable websites that make us money like this, without you ever writing a line of code, designing anything, or even paying for hosting. This will allow you to create any website, funnel, landing page, e-commerce store, or any web page for that matter, without spending thousands of dollars or wasting any time. In fact, all that it takes us to create websites like this, a landing page like this, a sales funnel like this, or a store like this is just 60 seconds. Yes, 60 seconds. All we need to do is log into our WebEx account and tell our AI virtual assistant Luna a keyword. It can be our niche, our brand name, or anything we want to create. And that's it. Luna will take it from here. She'll create everything, host it on blazing fast hosting, secure it with 256 SSL encryption, and even promote it for us. But you know what's funny? We don't even need to enter a keyword. We can use voice commands, just like you do with Siri or Alexa, and Luna will get to work. It doesn't get easier than this, my friend. This is the future of web development powered by AI. And this is not just pretty websites that do nothing. No, my friend. These are profitable websites that make us hundreds of dollars every single day on complete autopilot. How? Again, the answer is Luna. The AI virtual assistant will not only create the website for us, but she'll promote it too. It doesn't matter what kind of experience you have, it doesn't matter what skills you have, and it doesn't matter where you live now. As long as you have internet access, you're good to go. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce you to WebEx, the only AI-powered app capable of turning any keyword, idea, or voice into a blazing fast website, funnel, store, landing page that generates $329.85 daily. Without coding, designing, hosting, or any technical skills. Oh yes. Our AI assistant Luna creates your websites, designs, contents, copy, images, videos, and other marketing assets in seconds right before your eyes. So fast it'll make your head spin. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with WebEx and Luna. Step 1. Click on the big yellow button below to create your account with WebEx. Step 2. Enter any keyword related to your desired niche. You can even skip the keyword and use voice commands just like Siri or Alexa. Step 3. Do some idiot-proof customization like picking your favorite colors, adding your custom domains, and adding your payment links to start receiving payments right away. Step 4. That's it. You just created a blazing fast and stunning website in under 60 seconds. Not just that, each website we make, we generate money like this on autopilot. WebEx works for anyone and everyone, regardless of your niche. It works for affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, service providers, local businesses, freelancers, and anyone who's looking to add a nice stream of passive income. And the best part about this is that unlike other page builder and funnel builder software like ClickFunnels, Instant Page, Wix, etc., there's no monthly fees. Yes, you heard right. You pay just a tiny one-time fee and use it for life. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? In simple words, WebEx is priceless. It's the first-to-market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you, profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using WebEx, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to WebEx for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running WebEx. That won't last long. While WebEx is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use WebEx for any reason, We insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Worst case scenario, you get WebEx and don't make any money. We refund every penny you paid us, and you still get extra bonuses for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to WebEx plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.